In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Instagram call not working, so you can get your audio and video calls back up and running smoothly. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Instagram calls depend heavily on a good connection, whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try loading a few websites or streaming a short video. If those are lagging or not loading, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around, or quickly toggle airplane mode on and then off to refresh your network. Next, open Instagram and confirm that the app itself is working. Check if you can see your feed, send messages, and refresh the Explore page. If everything else is loading but the call option is missing or failing, it's likely a settings or app issue. Now, check if Instagram's servers are down. You can do this by searching online for Instagram Down Detector and looking at recent reports from other users. If many people are experiencing the same problem, it might be a temporary issue on Instagram's side, and you may simply need to wait until it's resolved. If the servers look fine, the next step is to inspect app permissions on your phone. Go to your device settings, find the Instagram app, and make sure it has permission to access the microphone and camera, and if needed, your contacts. Without these, calls might not connect properly, or the other person might not hear or see you. While you're in settings, also allow Instagram to use mobile data if you often rely on it, and disable any data saver options for the app that might restrict background activity. After that, return to Instagram and try logging out and logging back in. This can refresh your account session and fix small glitches. Just make sure you remember your password before logging out. If the issue continues, update the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. Outdated versions often cause call and message problems, especially after major feature changes. Still not working? Try clearing the app cache. On most Android devices, you can do this from the app settings without deleting your data. On iOS, you may need to reinstall the app, which also refreshes its cache. Finally, restart your phone. A simple reboot can resolve conflicts between apps, network services, and system processes that may be blocking calls. Follow these steps in order, testing a call after each one, and you should be able to fix most Instagram call issues and get back to chatting without interruptions.